Psychologists discovered that losing $100 hurts nearly twice as much as gaining $100 feels good. Your brain is literally wired that way, and that's only one of many psychological facts that secretly shape your behavior every day. What if I told you your brain is quietly shaping your decisions every single day without you even noticing? Today, we'll explore 3 psychological facts that reveal how your mind really works. Fact number 1. Your brain forms first impressions in seconds. Imagine walking into a room full of strangers. Before anyone says a single word, your brain has already started making judgments. Within just a few seconds, your mind begins estimating whether someone appears trustworthy, confident, friendly, intelligent, or even dangerous. This process happens so quickly that most people never notice it. From an evolutionary perspective, this ability helped our ancestors survive. Quickly deciding whether another person posed a threat could mean the difference between life and death. Today, however, those snap judgments aren't always accurate. Someone who appears confident may simply be outgoing. Someone who looks unfriendly might actually be shy or anxious. This explains why first impressions can be misleading. Research also shows that once we form an opinion about someone, we naturally look for evidence that confirms it while ignoring information that contradicts it. Psychologists call this confirmation bias. That's why changing someone's first impression of you can be surprisingly difficult. The lesson? Don't judge people too quickly, and don't let one awkward moment define who you are. People's first opinions can change, but only if they're willing to look beyond them. Fact number 2. People reveal more than they think through body language. Words tell a story, but the body often tells the truth. Think about the last time someone told you they were fine. Maybe they avoided eye contact. Their shoulders were slumped. Their voice sounded different. Something felt off. That's because much of human communication happens without words. Our posture, facial expressions, gestures, and even the direction of our feet often reveal emotions we're trying to hide. Interestingly, many of these signals happen automatically. Someone who feels anxious may touch their face repeatedly. A nervous person might bounce their leg without realizing it. Someone who feels genuinely interested in a conversation often leans slightly forward. However, body language isn't a mind-reading tool. A crossed pair of arms doesn't always mean someone is angry. They might simply be cold. The key is to observe clusters of behaviors rather than relying on a single gesture. When words and body language don't match, people tend to believe the body. Because while words can be carefully chosen, our bodies are often more honest than we realize. Fact number 3. Your memory isn't a recording. It's a reconstruction. Most people believe memories work like videos stored inside the brain. But that's not how memory works at all. Every time you remember something, your brain rebuilds the memory. Instead of replaying an exact recording, it reconstructs the event using fragments of information, emotions, expectations, and even things you've learned since it happened. This is why 2 people can experience the exact same event and remember it completely differently years later. Neither person is necessarily lying. Their brains simply reconstructed the experience in different ways. Scientists have even demonstrated that false memories can be created under certain conditions. People can become convinced they experienced events that never actually happened. That's one reason eyewitness testimony, while valuable, isn't always perfectly reliable. Our memories are influenced by emotions, conversations, photographs, and even the questions we're asked afterward. So the next time you're absolutely certain about something that happened years ago, remember this: confidence doesn't always equal accuracy. Our brains are incredible, but they're also wonderfully imperfect. We've only scratched the surface. The human mind is far more fascinating than most people realize. In the next episode, we'll explore why people sometimes become emotionally attached to those who treat them poorly, why silence can make someone incredibly uncomfortable, and why your brain often resists change, even when that change could make your life better. These aren't just interesting psychological facts. They're patterns that quietly shape your relationships, your decisions, and your everyday life. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed, because the next part might completely change the way you understand yourself and the people around you. Until then, stay curious and never stop learning about the most fascinating mystery you'll ever encounter, your own mind.